Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 300 Limited. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 145144. MOT, the 16th of April 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6.